All right, guys, how you doing? And I hope you're all doing very well. Okay, I just brought another video and just want to present another template like the original template, okay, of the BNC Trend Magnet Program SPT. All right, I've been taking signals from this indicator, very wonderful, very lovely. Okay, so if you really understand it, you can take long trades and increase your profits. Okay, so one of the things you need to really succeed in this market is to understand market structure, chart patterns, candlestick formation. It's really going to help you. You understand me? So um try and join my Telegram channel and then register for these courses. Okay, I have a lot of courses that will help you. A lot of courses. When you join my Telegram channel, you will see them all. You will see them all. Okay, so look at the signals given by this indicator. You understand? You can see my magic band is there. It must be there. In boom and crash market, I don't play with my magic band because it gives me wonderful signal. It plays a very good role. Now look at this wonderful break below. Wonderful break what above. You see that now. When I say break below, real good nice break, excuse me. All you need to do is wait for your blue candle for a buy, and then you buy. Okay. Now your entry is here. Your exit could be 50 or level 75, and that's just where there was a reverse. Okay, level 75 is somewhere here. You can use your trend line to put it on level 30 is somewhere here. You can put your line, your what's it called, horizontal line, this one. Okay, let me just do that now. Okay, let me wait because of these things I've drawn around. Okay, so you can just draw that and measure it here, 30 and 70 and 20. Okay, you understand? You can take level 50 as target or level 70 as what as target. You can see the move up. Now it now break above as well again. You wait for your red arrow, and what do? You trade down. Just let your trade run. This is a 15-minute time frame. Look at it. Came back down to where level 30 from level 70. That's 50. Okay, 50 move 20, 20, 30. You get it. Now look at another signal again. It was a break above. Real good break, nice break. And the market ran down. But look at where the arrow came up here. So you'd have caught some good spikes up to this bottom here, which is here. Now once it touches level 10, you are sure of a move up, which is this just right here. You can see, all right? And you got your blue arrow signal here, which you had entered. But it was me. Once I see a good break, I get in. You understand? So you move, look, move. At times, all these little spikes can scare you to close your trades. One thing I've come to understand is that once there's a spike, as long as the market is destined, let me use that word destined, to get to level 50 and 100 or 90, it will get there. It may go on the way, go get a lot of spikes and all that. Like just like what you're seeing now. Look at this. It spiked down, you get afraid. It moved up again, it spiked down again, began to spike a little, yet it was going up. And look at this spike down, it still went up. Where's its destination? 90. Went up. So don't get scared to close. Look at the end of the day, it broke through level 50 and began to move, spike down again. At the end, it got there. So that's one of the things I do. If I'm taking 50 as target, I just put my target and stop loss, and I just walk away because I know it will get there. Highest, it will hit my stop loss. I lose a little because my stop loss is very tight, or hit my target, which I will gain more. Okay, and I put more than one positions. You understand what I'm saying? So this is how you can enjoy it. Okay, very wonderful, very nice. You can see that now. So you can see the recent market right now as it's moving. There was a break here. It got to level 10 and you got your red arrow. What are you waiting for? Boom, down like this. There was a good break from the lower band and you have entered. For me, I will enter. Okay, so straight up down to here. It gave a wonderful for this thing there at the bottom, a wonderful break there. So you can see it came back down again. Your red arrow came up and you entered. So you can use it to scalp. Okay, you can scalp. You can scalp. Once you get to this zone, you can scalp to 50. Once you get to level 10, you can scalp to 50. And that's all. put your stop loss. Don't trade without stop loss except you know what you're doing. Okay. All right. So this is the video, just to show you the power of the SPT of the government crash trade magnet. Okay. So to determine how far market can go, if you can catch it early, you can ride it. This 15 minutes time frame from here to here is wonderful. In 1 minute time frame, you will see a very long move. People wonder how did he get this? How did he catch this? I don't catch that in 1 minute time frame. I'll kill myself. I go to higher time frame to look for those moves and go to one minute time frame and enter. Okay, since I know it's moving up, it's ready to move, and then I put a lot of positions, put my stop loss, and you see it running. That's why at times when it has gone very far, my entry is here, I move my stop loss to somewhere here. All this is for me. Nobody can't take it from me. You see, so market is still going. I keep moving the stop loss. Market is going, moving the stop loss. You understand? We decide to spike back to my stop loss. I have all this already. You know. So that is how it's done. Don't just put stop loss here and market is going, 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 going. Your stop loss is still here and you entered here. Market is still going, 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 going. When it's time to reverse, it will reverse and you see your profit reducing. To keep spiking down, spiking down, spiking down, spiking down. All what you gathered, you lose. You see, all the time you spent waiting for a signal, all the time you spend doing analysis, or even if you don't do analysis with SPT or boom and crash trade magnet, no problem. But the time you spent in waiting for the signal to come, the time you spent in waiting for it to get to overbought or oversold or level 50 and all that is wasted because you gave it all back to the market. Keep putting your stop loss. As the market is moving, move it. As the market is moving, move it. Protect your number one, your capital, and number two, your profits. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is BNC Trade Magnet Program SPT. Awesome, 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 awesome. Look at this place here. There was a good break here. You can see the wonderful break here. It came out here. Okay, and then broke through the lower band and went back up into that same place. That's a wonderful market formation. And then gave a signal for what? For a good drop. Straight, it broke through 50, straight down to 10. You get it? So, those of you who have the indicator, at times you discover that let me show you a good example of what I'm trying to say. Go, this is it. Now you can see how it's extending. Okay, you got a buy position here after this good nice break. Okay, and the market actually went and got to 90 here. Let me move a little. You see, now watch what happens here. My 90 was here before. Can I just say my 90 is here? So the market started moving. You can see it's still in that same place. So you wonder, why is it still there? Why is it not returning back? Why is it not reversing? All I do is this. If I notice that, I just go to my higher time frame. It will tell me where the market is going. So I know if to close or to leave my trade running. You understand? That is it. So if you look at it like that and you see how it is, all I keep doing, just let it run, just let it ride, just let it ride. So if you enter the opposite direction, waiting for it to spike, and you notice it's not spiking and it's still extending, just go to higher time frame, see where the market is heading to, and then once you get there, if it's what you need to close and change direction, close and change direction because the market probably might be going very far, so it's not ready to spike yet. You understand? That is one of the key. So it extends. Yes, you understand what I'm saying? That extension is for your good if you are in line with it. And I just told you how to be in line with it. Go to higher time frame. You get it now? Go to higher time frame. It's a lovely indicator. So what am I trying to say? The number of times it gets to 90 here, and probably you now entered for a reversal and began to extend. The number of times it extends is far, far more less than the number of times it will get to 90 and reverse to your favor. It will get to 10 and reverse to your favor. Let me just call it 90 to 10. 10% of the time it will extend. 90% of the time when it gets to 10, it reverse. And check out the success rates, guys. That's a good score. See you in our next video. Have a wonderful time. Bye bye.